Today, I would like to talk about the 10th Annual Railroad Memorabilia and Model Train Show in Marceline, Missouri. This year, the show will be a two-day event on Saturday, May 1st, 2021 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Sunday, May 2nd, 2021 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It will be held at the Walsworth Community Center located at 124 East Ritchie in Marceline, Missouri. If your family is not interested in trains, or if you want to take a break, you can check out the Crafts in the Park show. This event runs concurrently with the train show and is located out front and in the park across the street. My club, the Central Missouri Railroad Association, has been setting up a T-Track layout at this event every year since 2015. It is one of our favorite events. Here are some photos of our past layouts. The Central Missouri Railroad Association is located in Warrenton, Missouri, and meets the second Tuesday of every month at 7 p.m. Please see our Facebook page for further details. You may be wondering what T-Track is. It is a tabletop modular railroad system. There have been T-Track layouts in N, Z, and HO scales, with N scale being the most popular. This photo gives the basic standards of a basic N scale module. Ignore the word alternate in the graphic. The track spacing shown has pretty much become standard just through sheer popularity. A quick word about Marceline, Missouri. It is located along the Burlington Northern Santa Fe's Transcon route. Approximately 75 trains a day pass through Marceline, Missouri. Also located in the old Santa Fe station is a museum dedicated to Walt Disney, as Marceline was his childhood home. Behind the museum is the lunchroom. It is a former cafeteria for Santa Fe employees and is currently a museum dedicated to the Santa Fe's activities in Marceline. Admission to the lunchroom is included with your paid admission to the Disney Museum. Access is upon request, however. I hope you have the opportunity to attend the Railroad Memorabilia and Model Train Show in Marceline, Missouri. This year's event will be Saturday, May 1st, 2021 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Sunday, May 2nd from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Thank you and see you there. If you stayed this far, I greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button on YouTube. If you want to see more content, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching.